Hello students, we are going to see in this video Human Geography of Tamil Nadu continuations. First we are going to see in the population. From this populations, growth of population in Tamil Nadu, distributions of population, regions of high, moderate, sparse populations, population density, religion, urban and rural population, sex ratio and literacy rate. Following topic we are going to see from this video. Let me see the meanings of population. The term population refers to the number of people living in the defined areas. How many peoples are living in defined means particular regions. The statistical study of characteristics of human population is called demography. About the study of human populations, the studies is known as demography. Demographer make a deep and detailed study of the populations. Next our topic, growth of population in Tamil Nadu. What do you mean growth? Growth means increasing a number of people in the defined areas. The total populations of Tamil Nadu is 72 crores 1,40,703 or 7.21 crores as per 2011 census. What is the 2011 census in our Tamil Nadu population? 7.21 crores. Its population was 6.24 crores in 2001, registered a growth nearly 1 crore population in a decade. It shows the populations of the state is shared almost 50% each by male and females. So more or less it's a 50% for each male and females. The populations of Tamil Nadu forms 5.9% of country total population as per 2011 census. In 2001, 6.07%. Next topic, density of population. Based on the actual size of population, Tamil Nadu is divided into the following type. Already I said, regions of high population, regions of moderate population, regions of sparse population. Let me see the one by one. First, regions of high population. Chennai has the highest urban populations with 4.219 million people, but the city ranks second in the district wise count, next to Coimbatore. So first place Chennai, second one Coimbatore districts, which had 4.224 million people as per 2011 census. The following, the Chennai, Coimbatore, Tiruvallur, Kanchipuram, Viluppuram, Dharmaburi, Salem, Madurai and Tirunelveli are the most populous districts in the states. Agriculture and industrial development are the main cause of high concentrations of populations. Mostly the peoples are depending on the populations for the agriculture and industry. Next, regions of moderate populations. Thiruvannamalai, Kadalur, Tiruchirappalli and Thanjavur districts have a populations 30 to 35 lakhs. Velur, Dindigul, Virudhunagar and Thoothukudi districts each have a populations of 15 to 20 lakhs. So here have a three category for us. Other than agriculture, small scale industry, fishing along the coastal areas are the major occupation people in these industry districts. So here the moderate population area, the most of the population occupation is industrial, fishing and agriculture and small scale activities. Next, regions of sparse populations. What do you mean sparse? Very less populations. The coastal districts of Nagapattinam, Thiruvarur, Pudukkottai, Ramanathapuram, Sivagangai have less than 15 lakhs. The Nilgiri district has a population has a less than 10 lakh population. It is the least populated districts as per 2011 census. Which districts is least districts in our Tamil Nadu? Least districts of populations are the Nilgiri districts. Next our topic, population density. Density of population in Tamil Nadu is 555 per square kilometer. What do you mean the density? Density means per square kilometer how many number of peoples are living. The stat rank 12th in our whole India. Among the Indian states in population density, our Tamil Nadu is getting rank is 12th. The national average density of population as per 2011 census 382. The national average means it is a India population density. Chennai is a densest districts and followed by the Kanyakumari, Thiruvarur, Kanchipuram, Madurai. All these district the density they given within bracket. These are the regions with a high density of populations. The least density of populations recorded in the Nilgiri district. Already we learnt the Nilgiri is a less population districts. Next our topic, religions. Religion means what are all the type of peoples are living. Hindus, Christian and Islam are the major religions. The Hindus constitute 87.58% of the population, followed by Christians, Muslims and Jainism, Sikhism, Buddhism have a presence in the states. People of other religions constitute 0.01% and the percentage of people in unstated religions 0.26%. So mostly what type of religious peoples are living? Majority of the peoples are living Hindus peoples. What is the percentage? 87.58%. Next our topic, urban and rural population. As per 2011 census, how many number of peoples are living urban and rural? Rural means village, urban means city, which constitute 48.40% of the total population of the states. The rural populations of the state is nearly 51.60% of the state population. Mostly compared to the rural and urban, the rural peoples are living very more. Next, sex ratio. The sex ratio represents the number of females per 1000 males. It's a definition for the sex ratio. The sex ratio of the state increased 987 in 2011 to 995 in 2011. The sex ratio in India 940 in 2011 as against 933 in 2001. It shows that sex ratio is more favorable in the state than country. So already we learned begin the lessons. 50% of the male and females are there equally. As per 2011 census, 15 out of 32 districts have recorded sex ratio for more than 1000 and similar trends was noticed in the 2001 census also. Nearly 15 districts are recorded the sex ratio for more number of females peoples are living. Only Sivaganga has recorded the sex ratio exactly 1000. Next, literacy rate. Literacy means getting educations for the people. The literacy rate of Tamil Nadu as per the 2011 census 80.33%. It was 73.40% in 2001 census. Comparatively, the 2001 to 2011, our Tamil Nadu literacy rate is getting more. The male literacy rate 86.81%. The female literacy rate 73.86%. The corresponding the rates 2001 were 82.42% for males and 64.43% for females. See the next para. Literacy rate for India as per 2011 census 74.04, of which the male literacy rate 82.14 and female literacy rate 65.46%. Comparatively, this will increased by our Indian country. The literacy rate of India stood 64.8. It was 75.3 and 53.7 for males and females respectively. The following districts are getting a more literacy rate. Kanyakumari reported highest literacy rate. It is a 92.14%. Dharmaburi district has lowest rate 64.71%. Following districts getting Chennai, Nilgiri, Thuthukudi, Kanchipuram 85.29% districts. Okay students, let I hope you are understood about the topics. Thank you.